the late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Another video, Cardano. I know you were expecting this and you are like, dude, you told me it was bottom. No, I told you it looks terrible, and I took assumption it was the bottom. It wasn't bottom, but I told you it can go down as well. It went down. So basically we are below the 10 and 20. Oh, wait, we gotta get into charts first. So basically we are below these two moving averages, the 10 and the 20 moving average, right? And we are on this candle over here. This didn't happen yet, but I said in the beginning it looks terrible, but there is maybe some kind of like positive stuff. Like there wasn't, so we dumped. So basically what I'm gonna tell you now is how things are standing right now, what kind of supports we do have, what we have to look for, because right now I'm not looking to get any like if we can get above 1.15 today, like above this level over here right now, that would be great. If we next candle right back up, that would be very nice, and that can happen, but we are not taking any chances. So we're gonna see how far down it can go. Okay, so let's remove the wicks over here, and I'm just gonna draw one very nice line over here from the weekly that we have to have. This is the all-time high weekly, that's a 97. We have to have that line, and then we can zoom into here, bring back our wicks, and we can play with the lines. So basically what we have now, let's remove the wicks because charts are easier to read. And let's move moving averages so you can see this. That's the line we have to cross on the way up, but we're gonna get back that. So basically this line of support, this resistance when we were making top after we broke it, was support. So it was very nice support for a very long time, and unfortunately today we are breaking. Especially it will be very bearish if this is 1.11. If we stay below it, it's very bearish, and you have to look for targets on the downside, support targets. 0.97 is a very logical target. That's all-time high on the weekly. 0.97 also nicely corresponds with this bottom here on 96, and also this resistance at 94. So 94, 6, 7 in the ballpark area. There should be our support area for while we going down right now, right? So but I wouldn't like it to close below 96. I wouldn't like to close below 96 because this is some kind of low, and if you close below, then you got a lower low, and you know the life just starts getting like a lot harder, you know, because right now it's kind of nice, you know. You got a high, you got a higher high, you got a high, then you got a low, higher low, and you preferably want this to be some kind of okay, maybe this is some kind of low, like you know, basically you don't want to get it below 96, you know, because if you get below 96, like you know, like hold the 96 at least. So basically I think that's the next target to be watched from, but this can also be a stop over here, and I'm gonna show you. We have to bring back our wicks now because we are going into a little trip to the 4-hourly time frame, and over here at 4-hourly time frame we will see that we have some support on 200 moving average. So 4-hourly time frame is giving us support at 200 moving average, and the 200 moving average on 4 hour, it's pretty decent. Even 100 is pretty decent, can be used as support. 100, this is 200 moving average right now giving us support. So if this holds, if we actually can manage to bounce back from this, all good, but you have to look for what you got. Let's see, 4-hourly RSI is getting pretty low here. It's down at 31, so you can see that we get this as long as when it gets to these levels down here, it kind of gets some kind of bounce. You see bounce here, bounce as well over here. So these low levels over here, they require some kind of bounce, you know. I'm not saying we're gonna go like to $10 tomorrow, but some kind of bounce, it can actually be quite decent over here. So if you get some kind of bounce here, or even down at these levels at 97 or something like that, even if it starts going in further down, maybe the bounce will be enough to actually pick us up and put us above these moving averages up here, and that's also around 1.15. So we are still looking at 115 to be a very important line. Where's 115 here? Around there. You can see here how 115 really follows up with 20 20 and 50 moving average. That's the red and the yellow line over here. Over here just above it, like, and 100 moving average, that's the blue line. So it's in the ballpark area. So also on the daily, let's see, daily 20 moving average on the daily is at 15, you know. So getting above the 115, it's important. So one way or another we have to get some kind of bounce and jump up from over here. So if it will go down to 0.97 or not, that depends, because we both have it now supported 4-hourly line, and we got support down here at 96, 97 7 line. So you have to see what's gonna happen, what's gonna hold. The hidden bullish divergence, I think that's played out. I'm gonna show you what I mean, because, you know, we were playing with the thought that hidden bullish divergence went from all the way here all the way there, right? And then that would mean that we should get some kind of move up. Unfortunately, that wasn't the case. So I think that hidden bullish divergence were this over here. So once we got here, we got hidden bullish divergence, and then this move over here was the bounce from the divergence, right? And after that, now we have just regular price movement and regular price RSI price movement. So I think this played out. I think hidden bullish divergence is played out, and that's over. So I don't think that's happening, so keep that in mind. So I don't think we can get any more help from the RSI. All we can say right now, it's a line on pretty decent level around 50. That's pretty good for an uptrend, because I mean, if it gets down to 30 or something like that, that's pre-pump. You can see here pre-pump, like it was down at 30 levels and stuff like that quite a few times, right? But once it starts pumping, like it just doesn't get to those levels. So 50 should be quite decent. Are we hitting the bottom? Are we not hitting the bottom? Is this bull run over? Is this bull run not over? Hard to tell, but the supports are there. So we are looking for this 96, 97 support area, and on the 4-hourly we are looking at this 200 moving average to give us support. Now you cannot see it because there is no wicks, but if we pop the wicks up, you can see that we already hit the 200 moving average. So one of these gonna I think it's gonna be enough to give us that that little bounce, and hopefully the bounce will come above this level over here, hopefully above these levels up here at 120 as well. Like, it might or not. This is assumption, I'm not saying, I'm just saying right now we are looking for the supports, and supports is this area down here and 200 moving average on the 4-hourly. That's what I got for you today. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked the Cardano video today. Subscribe if you did, like the video if you did, click the share button, click this button, click that button. You can post down in comments anything you want, man. Tell me about your life. How you doing, man? How you doing? Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna make another video. And previous Bitcoin video, I don't know, I think a few people got the notification for the previous video, Bitcoin video. Like 10 seconds into the video, my sound stopped working, so I don't want to do Bitcoin video today. Maybe tomorrow. Anyways, I think I'm gonna do chilies. One more video, maybe chilies. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. See you around.